So I'm going to be giving you guys a tip on how you can use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now this is a very useful feature to use because normally if you're driving, this is when it's a good time to use it. And all you got to do is open up your message app. You're going to see on the keyboard there's a couple different microphone options. You don't want to click the one to the right. You want to click the one that's right underneath. Now I'm just going to start talking here so you can see that it's typing what I'm saying. Then when you're done, you would just click the little microphone logo and it'll stop. Now, like I said, this is a very, very useful and cool feature to use. It's great for when you're driving or you just don't have the time to, start typing things and, doing it that way. Plus, the voice recognition on these phones is incredible. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out that you can get on our Tech newsletter, where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.